Hello everyone, myself Nilkant. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering in Bangalore. I am from CSC branch. Today I am going to discuss the subject about waste management. In this subject, the specific topic environment effects of landfill. Assessing the environmental impacts of landfill operations, challenges and solutions. Landfills are essential for waste management, yet they pose significant environmental challenges. This presentation will explore the impacts of landfill operations, the challenges faced in managing these sites, and potential solutions to mitigate their negative effects on the environment. Environmental impacts overview. Landfill operations can lead to soil contamination, water pollution, and air quality issues. The decomposition of waste produces leachate and landfill gases, which can adversely affect local ecosystems and human health. Understanding these impacts is crucial for effective management. The leaching of toxic substances from landfills can lead to significant soil contamination. Heavy metals and organic pollutants can infiltrate the ground, affecting agricultural productivity and biodiversity. Monitoring and remediation strategies are essential to prevent long-term damages. Water pollution concerns. Landfills pose a risk of water pollution through leachate entering groundwater and surface water bodies. This can lead to health hazards for communities relying on this water surface. Implementing proper contaminant and treatment systems is crucial to safeguard water quality. Next one is air quality issues. Landfill operation can significantly impact air quality due to release of methane, carbon dioxide, and other harmful gases. These emissions contribute to climate change and can pose health risks to neighborly pollutions. Gas capture systems are essential for mitigation. Next one is regulatory challenges. Regulatory frameworks for landfill operation can inconsistent and ineffective. Different regions have varying standards for waste management, leading to gaps in environmental protection. Strengthening regulation and ensuring compliance is crucial for sustainable landfill practice. Next one is public perception and engagement. Public perception of landfill often leads to NIMBY attitudes, hindering the development of new waste management facilities. Engaging communities through educational and transparency can foster better understanding and support for landfill operations. Next one is innovative solutions. Emerging technologies offer innovative solutions for landfill management, including waste to energy processes and advanced leachate treatment systems. These approaches can reduce environmental impacts and enhance resource recovery, making landfills more sustainable. Implementing best practice in landfill operations can significantly reduce environmental impacts. This includes regular monitoring, effective waste segregation, and the adoption of sustainable technologies. Collaborating among stakeholders is essential for success. Conclusion and future directions. In conclusion, assessing the environmental impacts of landfill operation is crucial for sustainable waste management. By addressing challenges and implementing the effective solutions, we can minimize negative effects and promote a healthier environment for future generation. Thank you.